Hello, and this is another video. We are to be doing lesson 3 in Python lessons, and this lesson is to be about loops and if statements. So the first kind of loop is a for loop. So you do like for something in range 10. So what this does is this makes it so that x equals whatever, and then it loops around again and then adds 1 to x. Range, I think, just makes a list of 10 numbers, because I could make a list. So list equals 1, 1, and technically this is supposed to start at 0, and it would start at 0, so I'm pretty sure range just makes this. So I think I have never done this, but I think you could do range 10, and it would make a list of 10 numbers. And what you could do is you could do print x or print x, and every time it would print it and add another 1 to it. And you could also do for x in, say, hi, bye, just do this. Okay. And you have to put a colon at the end and then indent to get the next thing. So that should print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, lesson 3 / loops. It needs to be P-Y. It print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hi, bye, this. So you could do it like that. And a while loop you type as while something. So you could do while a condition is true. So a condition is like x is bigger than 1, or x is smaller than 10 or 30. So I could do that and put a colon, and then you put it like this. And okay, so now you need to you could do print x and then x plus equals 1. So that would mean it would repeat 30 times. Kind of like a for loop, except a little different, and you can do other stuff with it that can be useful. Especially if, like, say I have input, which is something you can do. Input, and you call this function, I'll do this in a different one. While name, this means not equal. Let's say none, or while name not equal me, do this. So what it does is it says input, and then I would type name, or like this, and then normally you put a space, and then you have it so that it will make it okay, so that it will do it until I say my name is me. And all the conditions, which I'll write down here, or I don't know what they're called. But the things where you can put in the middle. This means not equal. And it's double equal sign for equals. Equal. I should have had this before I started recording. Less than. I think that means less than. Yeah, less than. Then. And then. I think that's how you write it. Less than or equal to. And this one would be greater than or equal to. Okay, so these might be wrong. It's either this or maybe it's the opposite way, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Okay. Let's run this program. Oops. Oh, whoops. You also have to remember to define variables. Why is all of this indented? That's not quite right. Means I was running inside the other for loop. Oops, and this needs to be indented. I'm not good at indenting stuff. Alright, and that should work a little better, but we need name equals input, and let's do name. Alright, so now if I run this, it's asking me for my name. Okay, I'll write hey. It wants my name again. Stop. Please. Me. Oops. Me. Oh, whoops, I forgot something. You have to do name equals me. Whoopsies. Okay, that makes more sense, and now that should work. Hey. Why? I mean, me. So, that's an example of a while loop. It's technically kind of like an if statement. Alright. I don't want to do if statements. Okay. So if statement just checks if something's true. So if name, let's just keep name, equals you, then print your name is you. It doesn't make much sense. So, oh wait, whoops, equal equals. Or else that won't work. Alright, let's just put another input name, or name equals input, equals input, name 2. Alright, this is an if-else statement where you do if, let's say name equals Joe, and then you go down here, print your name is Joe, or you do else you do your name is not Joe. Alright, and the if-elif statement is where you do if something, so I could say if name equals, let's say, I don't know what, okay, hi. Then print your name is hi. Or you could do if, which means else if. So after it checks the first one, it now checks if this one's true. So if name equals you, oops, equals, and there we go. You, then print your name is you. Okay, actually I'll just add R so it's a little different. So name 2 could be anything. So that's technically it. Let's run our program. Name equals, let's just say me. Name 2 equals, say, Joe. Your name is Joe. Okay. Let's try that again. Me. Name 2 equals you. Your name is you. Your name is not Joe. And let's try hi. Name equals me. Name equals hi. Your name is not Joe. Your name is hi. So that is if statements and for loops. This is for you to work on. I will have a link to the file in the description. You can download it. It will probably be through Google Drive. And this is for you to use it. And food equals pizza, or I'm going to change this because now we know about input. Equals input. What is your favorite? I don't know. What? Pick a food. Alright. Input. What is your age? Input. What is your age? So you can fill out these and see if you can get these working for what it says to do. And that's pretty much it. So, bye.